So we have verb savoir. Savoir is my verb to know. Clear? Okay.
Wait.
Okay. So Harpreet, the moment we conjugate the verb with savoir, okay, because savoir is my verb to know, and in French language, basically we have conjugations, right? In French language, we have conjugation. Like for example, if I will say I know, right? You know, okay. He, she knows, right? We know, okay. So these are the conjugation. So basically, in French language, we have a pattern that is savoir is my full verb to know, right? And the moment we'll conjugate the verb, we have to break the verb. Now, par exemple, if I will say I know, that is je sais. Why je sais? Because je is to I and say is to know. Je sais, you know, that is tu sais, which is you know, because you is my tu. C'est clair? Why Harpreet? And il, elle, say. Il is to he and elle is to she. Pen down, please. Je is to I, je sais, because as a rule, the rule of French language we have, Harpreet, like my verbs, right? So we have basically three type of verbs in French language. We have three type of verbs in French, ending from re, ending from ir, and ending from er. C'est clair? So basically, we have three type of verbs in French language. Harpreet. The verbs, it can ending from er, ending from ir, and ending from re. Say clear, Harpreet.
Clear. Like, how do you pronounce them?
We'll go for the pronunciation of this.
Okay.
Basically, in French language, we have a three type of verbs, right? Ending
Okay.
from er. And don't worry, Harpreet, because we will cover up your syllabus also, and we will
Okay.
Ethan will share the previous syllabus also, like whatever we have
Okay.
covered, right?
Yeah.
So you have to watch those recordings, and definitely I will give you some extra time wherein we will cover up those levels.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Basically, you just should try to understand today. Like in French, we
Okay.
have three type of verbs ending from er, ir, and re. Why I picked the pattern savoir verb? Because we'll work with savoir verb today, right? So savoir
Okay.
verb to know savoir. Why
Sour.
why sound is wa in French? Why sound wa in French? The savoir. Savoir is my verb to know. So
Okay.
the moment I conjugate the verb with I know, you know, he, she knows. So we have a conjugation. So it means like I will get IR from the end. That's a rule in English. Like if my word is ending from ER, I have to remove ER because that's a rule that I have to remove IR. But obviously, we have full verb pattern which is savoir. The moment I will conjugate savoir verb with I know, you know, my savoir is converted into say. Je sais. Claire, je is to I, je sais is to I know. Tu sais, tu is to you, informal. Tu sais is to you know. Il, elle say, il is to he and elle is to she, right? Il, elle say. Now we call as nous. Nous savons, Claire. Then we have again you know. Because one you we have informal you, which we call as informal if you're speaking to your younger ones. But the moment if you speak for your elder ones, that is vous. That is vous in terms of formal conjugation. Vous savez. Claire? And Il, L, it means they know. Why? They know. Like in English, we have boy, boys, whenever we have plural, girl, girls, right? The same in French also, we have il, we have he. If my il is plural, we have to add s. If my L is plural, we have to add S, but my S will not get pronounced, right? I will say il, el, sav. So, répétez après moi. Je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, Claire, nous savons, vous savez, il, elle savent. C'est clair. So, now répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, il, elle savent. C'est clair? Why? Is it clear to you, Harpreet?
Yes, clear.
So, je sais is to I know, tu sais is to you know, il, elle sait is to he, she knows, nous savons is to we know, and don't worry, entire session is under recording, right? So, we'll share the recording and you can rewatch this. Why? Now, Lovepreet, main to
Wait.
know we are doing something about, like how the language works in French, like how you will clear your TEF examination. So repeat after me. Nous savons. Répétez après moi.
Nous savons
Tout. Tout, we have all.
tout all.
We have all. Tout que. C'est clair. Répétez
Tout
après.
que
This is a topic basically. Nous savons tout que
Nous savons.
la planète. La planète.
la planète
Planète est un
planète est un
I'm saying we know, nous savons. Now, nous savons, which we have we know, right? We know.
oui,
Tout, all. Que la planète, that the planet is in danger. Now, for example, we have a situation of COVID-19.
oui,
So, if I will say, we know all, tout, que la planète. So, planet, we have this sound. Planet is the danger, is in danger. So, répétez après moi. Harpreet, just try to understand because you will get a few vocabulary. Including you can
Okay.
understand. Danger, we have danger. Two, we have all. And definitely, the moment you will go with the pattern of the previous recording, and the moment you will come to know a bit concept, and definitely I will give you some time wherein we can cover up this material.
Okay. Okay.
So, nous savons tout que la repeat it, please, Harpreet.
nous savons tout que la planète est en danger.
Yes, nous savons tout que la planète est en danger, que l'humanité, que l'humanité est menace, que l'humanité,
L'humanité
que is my that, que is my that, humanity, the humanité, l'humanité, that
l'humanité
que l'humanité, répétez après moi, que l'humanité, that humanity est menacée, are in threat, menacée, we have threat. C'est clair. So you have to learn these two vocabularies now because this is your TEF examination. So répétez après moi, nous savons tout que la planète,
nous savons
que la planète est en danger.
que la planète est en danger.
Que l'humanité est menacée. C'est clair.
Oui.
Claire. Excuse me, how do you pronounce EST?
EST, A.
A.
I will explain to you what is EST, mademoiselle Harpreet.
Okay.
être. Répétez après moi. Être.
Être.
Être. So,
Être.
we have verb basically which we have verb for isma, to be. To be.
Okay.
Why? To be is
To be.
am. Clear? Now,
Okay.
when I will conjugate the
हाँ
verb
वो मेरे पास
with my
हाँ
is am
वो मेरे
are
पास है बट मैं
actually
लिख रही
because
हूँ
in French
वैसे उसमें
language,
स्टार नहीं लगा हुआ है तो वो जरूरी भी
slowly and
नहीं है अगर
carefully,
उसमें स्टार नहीं
we
लगेगा
have four
ओके
imperfections. Why? So the moment you will conjugate at verb,
starts with go
so if I will say I am, so that will convert it into
oh okay
just
this
just to I, just we is
just so
I am. Clear? Why?
clear yeah
A
I'll
is
check and then
French
if I
language
have
we
problem
learn
and then I'll call you
communication.
back okay?
Right.
Yeah
Just
right
I am to A you are
oh okay
il L A E S T. Il L A is to he she is. Now over here we have the humanity is instead.
okay
So that is we have conjugate with il and l because this is a noun, right? So nous
right
sommes, répétez après moi. Nous sommes is to we are. Why?
nous sommes
Why? Vous êtes, répétez après moi. Vous êtes, vous êtes is to
okay.
you are in terms of formal. So basically we have two type of you in French. Tu informal, vous we have formal. C'est clair. Why?
clear
We have plural because we have il plural is ILS and L
okay
S. But S would not get pronounced. So il and son is to they are. C'est clair. So now répétez après.
clear
Je suis, tu es,
yes we
tu es,
to a
il est,
il elle est
nous sommes, uh-huh,
nous sommes
vous êtes,
vous êtes
elles sont. C'est clair.
ils elles sont clear
So I'm saying over here, nous savons, we know that nous savons tout que, nous savons tout que,
nous
we
savons
all
tout
that is my all, that la planète est en danger, that the planet is in danger, que
okay
l'humanité est menacée, that the humanity is in threat. C'est clair.
clear
Now répétez après moi s'il vous plaît, parce que, répétez après moi, parce que,
first
because, parce que nous constatons que, nous, very important,
nous
nous constatons que. So now
constanto
we have a verb constate.
constate
We have a verb constate. Constate is a verb
constat
observe, to notice, say clair. Why?
clear
But the moment I will say past because we observe that that is nous constatons que. Because with my V, my ER will convert it into ONS. C'est clair? Mademoiselle,
clear
over here I'm saying parce que nous constatons que. Because we notice that le climat, répétez après moi, le climat
le climat
est bouleversé.
est
Le climat est,
le climat
est bouleversé. Very important.
bouleversé
Le climat. Répétez après moi. Le climat, the
le
climate
climat
is bouleversé. Bouleversé
est
is
bouleversé
upset. That the climate is very up because the climate is not good. Evidently, obviously, we have the pollution in the environment. We have réchauffement climatique. We have greenhouse effect in the environment. We have ozone layer hole. So I'm saying the humanity is in threat. Parce que we observe, we notice that le climat est bouleversé. The climate is very, very upset nowadays.
so the funds available for my stay
Le climat, oui, mademoiselle. Le climat is climate is upset. C'est clair, mademoiselle? La
Oui.
pollution, Répétez-moi. La, आपको समझ आ रहा है मनप्रीत?
So I should calculate
I'm
that one.
Harpreet.
La pollution ne cesse. Répétez-moi. La pollution ne cesse d'augmenter.
La pollution nurses the
Okay. So
D'augmenter.
whatever my amount in my
Mhm.
okay.
La pollution, the pollution keep increasing. Ne cesse. Ne cesse is without stop. Basically, we have verb cesse is to stop. So I'm saying ne cesse, without stop. The pollution is keep increasing. D'augmenter. Mademoiselle, augmenter, we have a verb. Augmenter, we have a verb to increase. Augmenter, we have verb to increase. If I'm saying it is continuously moving on, it is continuously increasing. Ne cesse. Ne cesse, we have very beautiful word, very beautiful vocab to continue. Without stop. Ne cesse is without stop. Répétez après moi. Ne cesse. Ne cesse is without stop. C'est clair. La pollution, the pollution, la pollution, the pollution ne cesse d'augmenter. The pollution without stop increasing. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
इसमें अब education
Clear.
का आ गया है हमारे पास.
C'est clair. Why?
I have a one question here.
Mm-hmm.
Why we use D in front of augmente?
Yes, because the pollution is keep of increasing. D'augmenter. C'est clair. We have the which is off. C'est clair.
Okay, so vowel it cut. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, I understand.
C'est clair. Now,
Okay,
les ressources naturelles, les ressources naturelles
resource
naturelles
natural
s'épuisent. Very important vocab. Mademoiselle, I'm just giving you a very
Natural.
good vocabularies which you have to understand now. S'épuisent. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît.
Please.
Les ressources naturelles s'épuisent. It means, you know, we use extinct. In
Please.
English, we have extinct. We look
Yeah.
gaia. Why? We are saying s'épuise. Natural things, natural resources are running out. S'épuise. S'épuise. We have very important vocab. Pen down.
Please.
S'épuise. The natural, if you say the natural things are running out, the natural things is just invisible, right? Extinct. You know, the natural things, les ressources naturelles s'épuisent, is just running out. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why? C'est clair. You have to use Lovepreet and Herman. Herman, right? Why? Herman.
It's Harpreet. Yeah.
Pardon. Okay, je suis vraiment désolé, mademoiselle. Excusez-moi. So I'm saying, mademoiselle, les ressources naturelles s'épuisent. It means the natural resources are just running out. C'est clair. Why? C'est clair, Harpreet? Why?
तो फिर मैं ऐसा करती हूँ ना, मैं सिर्फ यही वाला मेंशन करती हूँ, 4 सेकंड वाला.
La biodiversité est attaquée.
हाँ पहले टेक वाला. हाँ तो उसका हमारा आपको ध्यान है कुछ मई 10 से शुरू हुआ था 2020
attaquée. I'm saying la biodiversité.
Period of field and level of study.
La biodiversité.
La biodiversity.
It means the
Field and
biodiversity
level of study.
est attaquée, mademoiselle, est attaquée. Répétez après moi. Est attaquée. Is under attack. Pronounce this. One thing you have to understand. Whenever we have a word ending from a consonant, right? and the next word is starting from a verb.
अब इन्होंने लिखा है लास्ट में, कब तक था वो हमारा?
Whenever we have a verb, any word ending from a consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel, we have to combine ta. We have to combine the sound. Say Claire. La biodiversité, la biodiversité, the biodiversity. Etatake. Say Claire.
Clear.
Why? Now repte
Valiant
aap
campus.
you play.
देखो नहीं वैलेंट है, कंट्री हमारी अभी क्या है ना?
Repte après moi. Parce because nous sommes, we are. Nous sommes. C'est clair, we have done adverb. So Mademoiselle Harpreet, just go with the recordings. I will share with you, right? And you will come to know entire concept. Nous sommes, nous sommes conscients que la terre, very important, the earth, I will explain to you. La terre ne nous, very important, appartient. So over here we have j'appartient. I will explain to you, don't worry. What is this over here? Now, répétez après moi. Parce que, because nous sommes, we are
अब ये
aware.
एम्प्लॉयमेंट मांग रहा है,
Conscient, we have
ये तो
aware.
ना ही शुरू में उसमें तो क्योंकि इनको स्टूडेंट है।
Mademoiselle, conscient, we have aware. C'est clair, conscient. You're conscious. C'est clair. I'm saying parce que nous sommes conscients because we are aware that la terre, the earth, ne nous appartient. Ne nous appartient. We have a spelling error. Appartient. C'est clair. Ne nous appartient pas. Répétez après moi. That do not belongs to us because we are aware that earth.
This is for this.
Because répétez après moi. Parce que we are aware, conscious.
Yeah, I was in Singapore.
That earth, que la terre, ne appartient pas, is not do not belong to us. The word appartenir.
So,
over here we are using the word
current activity
appartenir.
or occupation.
Belong.
Personal support worker.
I'm just getting a background noise, I think. Appartenir, we are about to belong. C'est clair? Why? C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Oui.
Now, répétez après moi. Quel? Répétez après moi. Quel appartient? Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Quel appartient aux générations? Répétez après moi. Vous devez
Génération.
Génération. Génération. Future. Now what is this? Quel appartient? Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat it, please. Quel appartient that it belongs to a future generation. It belongs that. Quel appartient? Appartenir, we have verb to belong. Quel appartient aux générations futures, to a future generation. Génération. Mademoiselle, speak up. Quel appartient aux générations futures. C'est clair? Why?
Oui.
C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Oui.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah. Quel appartient aux générations futures.
That belongs to O.
Future.
O we have to the.
Oh.
I will explain to you to the.
Yeah, to the.
Claire? Why?
Oui.
Okay. Harpreet, is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. And don't worry. I understand a bit things maybe you will not understand, but yes, that's a new module for Lovepreet also. The thing is, a bit verb conjugation you have missed out, and we'll cover those. And just try to watch a previous video also.
Yeah.
Répétez
I'm gonna watch them after the class.
bien. Il faut réagir. Il faut réagir. Very important. Il faut réagir vite pour les générations. Répétez après moi. Pour les générations futures. C'est clair. Il est temps que. Répétez après moi. Il est temps que chacun prenne conscience, chacun prenne conscience de son impact sur, I will explain to you, sur l'environnement, sur l'environnement, sur l'environnement que chacun agisse. Chacun agisse. Now what is this? What is this? Very important now. Répétez après moi. Il faut réagir. Repeat it please. Il faut réagir.
Il faut réagir.
Réagir is a verb to react.
Yeah,
Il,
react.
il faut réagir. One must react. Il faut. Mademoiselle, il faut, we have
Oh,
should. हम बोलते हैं one must. It is must. It is obligation that it is must. That is il faut. Il faut. If you say it is obligation that, obligation you have to. So I'm saying il faut réagir. One must, has to react. One must react. C'est clair. Now Harpreet, c'est clair. Il faut réagir. Il faut
réagir.
It is réagir is a verb to react. Réagir is a verb to react. One must react. C'est clair.
Claire. Excuse me, like you used to say Claire like again, like you asked me to repeat it or just asking
Yes,
like as if it's
exactly. I want you to repeat it. Why?
okay, I was confused, sorry.
Yes. Why? You know, because the moment you will speak with me, you will get the language. Why? C'est clair. Because the moment if I will speak, how I will come to know.
Yeah.
Why? So if I'm saying il faut réagir, it means you have to repeat il faut réagir so that you will get a tone of the language. C'est clair.
Okay.
Why?
Il faut réagir.
Exactement. Il faut réagir vite. Vite, we have fast. Vite, we have quickly. Quickly. Vite, we have quickly. C'est clair. Pour les générations. Pour les générations futures.
Pour les
générations.
Future generation. C'est clair. So I'm saying il faut réagir vite pour les générations. We must react quickly for the future generations. C'est clair. Why?
Why?
Harpreet, if you want to say, we must react quickly for the future.
Il faut réagir.
Yes. Il faut réagir vite pour les générations futures. Il est temps
pour les générations.
Mademoiselle, il est temps que, temps we have a time. T-E-N-S, we call it as temps. Répétez après moi, temps. Il est temps. It means it is time that. Il est temps que. Ab. No. You have to pen down entire thing in a notepad. Because and you have to do practice like this. It is time that. Il est temps que. Il est temps que. It is time that. C'est clair, Lovepreet? Why?
Oui.
So it is time that. Il est temps que. Chacun prenne. Chacun.
Chacun prenne.
Chacun, everyone.
Chacun prenne.
To become aware. Prenne. Chacun prenne Conscience.
Everyone
become aware. Conscience we have aware. Chacun prend aware. Chacun prend conscience. That everyone become aware de son impact of their impact sur l'environnement, their impact upon environment, environnement. Que chacun agisse, that everyone act. So mademoiselle, over here we have two things, réagir, répétez après moi. And the moment you have these type of vocab in your hand, so that in your test examination you have to speak your oral, your writing test, you can make it out. Réagir is to react, agir is to act. C'est clair. Why? So I'm saying, il faut réagir, one must react very quickly, vite. Pour les générations futures, for the future generation, il est temps que, it is time that chacun prenne conscience, that everyone become aware de son impact of his impact sur l'environnement upon environment. Que chacun agisse, that everyone act. C'est clair. Chacun, everyone. C'est clair.
Chacun.
Everyone. C'est clair, mademoiselle. Tell me yes and no. Why? C'est clair, my teammates.
Oui.
Répétez après moi. Il est important. Il est important.
Important.
Important que. Now
Important.
and I. Important.
Il est important que.
And I is a vowel. Il est important. A-N sound is on. Mademoiselle, A-N sound is on. And remember one thing. If we have consonant ending like the important, temportant. If I'm saying important, no, because T would be silent. So il est important que, it is important that. Either I can say il est important de développer et généraliser. Répétez après moi. Et देखो, why I'm these type of things, why I'm delivering you this type of lecture, because I want these things has to be fixed in your mind, because the moment we'll move PAR pattern, you have to speak up in that case. Il est important de développer et généraliser. Okay?
Okay.
Generalize.
Now I'm saying over here, déchets. Waste, your garbage. Oh, je m'excuse. Excusez-moi. Okay, I will write it down one more time. Il est
important.
Développer. Développer et généraliser des déchets.
Des déchets.
Il est important, it is very important to develop and generalize des déchets. Déchets, we have waste product, garbage. Il est important, répétez après moi. Il est important de développer et généraliser. C'est clair, why? Des déchets of the waste product. Déchet is my waste. C'est clair?
Oui.
Répétez après moi. Il est important de développer et
Généraliser des déchets.
Déchets, we have waste, garbage, déchets. Répétez après moi. Déchets. We have garbage. C'est clair. Say
Dish.
Claire. Why? Say Claire. Now,
Ouais.
il est essentiel que, il est
Le.
very important.
Les.
It is essential. Il est essentiel. Il est essentiel
Essentiel.
d'utiliser. Il est essentiel
D'utiliser.
d'utiliser
D'utiliser.
les transports. Les transports.
Transport.
Les
Les
transports.
transports en commune. En commune. Very important. The diversifier. Because mademoiselle, you have your writing section in your TEF, which we call as section B, section B, in your écriture, in your writing portion. In that case, you have to write something, for example, you read an article in the newspaper about the garbage, about the pollution, and you have to write it out. For this reason, I'm giving you these type of things. Il est essentiel d'utiliser les transports en commune. It is very important to utilize the public transport. Transport en commune is public transport. C'est clair. Why?
Ouais.
C'est clair. De diversifier. De
The
diversifier
diversity.
les sources. Les sources
Resource.
d'énergie. Les sources d'énergie.
The nation.
Energy. It means
Les sources d'énergie.
chacun en commune de diversifier
De diversifier les sources
Now, over here I'm
d'énergie.
saying to diversify the source of the energy. C'est clair.